In what ratio must T at 62 per kg be mixed with T at 72 per kg? Mixed so that the mixture must be worth 64.50 per kg. So this is a very simple type of mixture and alligation questions. So in such questions, we write down the first mentioned cost price in the left top corner, the second mentioned cost price in the right corner, and we write down here the cost price of the mixture, and we do cross subtraction. When we do cross subtraction, we get the ratio of the quantities. Now, when it is mentioned here, the mixture must be worth 64.50 per kg. That is nothing but cost price of the mixture. Okay, so remember these wordings as well. So let's now do it. The first cost price mentioned is 62. So we have here 62. The second cost price mentioned is 72. The cost price of the mixture is 64.50. Okay. Now we can cross subtract. So 72 minus 64.50, that gives us 7.5, and 64.50 minus 62, that gives us 2.5. So this is the ratio of quantities. Now if you are not good at decimals, you can eliminate the decimals. You can have it as 75 is to 25. We can reduce it further. Both are divisible by 25. So 25 threes are, 23 ones are. So the ratio of quantities to be mixed is 3 is to 1. So answer is option A.